most people would understand this, but do not fly as high as your drone goes, and more importantly, do not alter the flight limit of your drone, and actually increase it. Do not increase it unless you're specified to do so. Uh, you've been allowed, you have a license to do so. Especially in the US, there is a foot flight restriction or a meter flight restriction. So you're just gonna be getting these big open landscape shots, and it's great to capture those once in a while, but do not spend all your time up at a specific altitude capturing just big open wide shots. Use the drone for more of a storytelling tool and get down close into your subject, onto into well, obviously stay above it, fly out above the tree line or get closer to objects, and you will be able to get a variety of shots, some cool different perspectives that you just cannot get with other cameras. Now, uh, you know, besides having visual contact with your drone, you know, flying as high as it gets is not going to give necessarily the best outcome. Having a wide shot is okay. Two of them were very nice, but after a point, you need some detail. You need to get close to those areas, and you need to know what you're actually doing. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I know it's quite fast and precise, but didn't go at the limit. Just try to find a way to storytell. Until the next one, stay safe. I'm going to be seeing you soon. Cheers.